Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen from VanVeenBulbs.com, and we're going to talk about how to fix bad soil. Everybody comes to me and I've had the same problems. All I have is clay. Everything's rock hard. I can't get anything to grow. I live at the beach. All I have is sand. Can I grow right in sand? What do I do? Or I live up in the mountains and it's just rocks. I have nothing but rocks. So how do I grow plants in these conditions? So my theory on all of that is don't fix it. Work on top of it. Or dig some of it out and put some good soil in. Because it doesn't matter what you have, it's going to be good on the bottom. So especially clay or sand, it has great, well, clay has drainage in the fact that if you put a big raised bed above it, the water will just kind of go underneath the clay and leave the bed. So your plants pretty much stay dry because they're up above the clay. Or if you have sand, there's great drainage there, but you don't have good soil. So if you put a raised bed on top of that sand, then you've got great soil with great drainage and everything's going to do really well. So pretty much you cannot fix your bad soil. Give it up. You're not going to be able to fix it no matter what you do. You can add some compost to it. You can add some potting soil to it. But in the end, you're still going to have good soil mixed with bad soil. So work on top of it. Or if it's a big area, maybe dig some of the bad soil out and put some good soil on top. You can buy compost. You can buy potting soil. Or you can buy compost or potting soil at pretty much any local garden center. And it might be a little bit of money, but you can buy a big truckload for not really, in the scheme of things, a whole lot of money. Think about how much money you put into your property. And just for a few flower beds, and just a couple truckloads of dirt, even one truckload, even one bag of dirt if you live in a little condo, you can have a gorgeous garden. So I really love raised beds. And this is just composted soil that we had delivered, and we've put it in with a wooden bed. And underneath, it's just rock, hard, compacted gravel and soil. There's really, underneath, it's pretty, nothing's going to grow underneath this. But it's great because we're on a slope, and it's good drainage. We're making a raised bed. I'm getting the heat of the sun coming in, and everything's going to do really well. You can fix your poor soil by putting good soil on top of it. So even the worst clay or sand, if you put compost or potting soil on top of it, it'll work its way down too, and a lot of times it will gradually break everything up. And as the plants grow and they have their healthy roots into the good soil, the roots will eventually get into the bad soil and enrich it as well. So pretty much there's no excuse that you can't plant there. Or if I have bad soil, I have good soil, I have bad soil in my yard. I work with both. And either way, I have a gorgeous garden.